Tonight I end up doing an unexpected repair. This is a vacuum cleaner, a Siemens vacuum cleaner, and when we switched on, there was a very distinct burning smell. At first I thought the engine was failing. I thought the windings inside the engine, the motor, was failing, but then I realized that it's just caused by friction. And how you can test this? First take the cleaner apart, take the machine apart, and then check if you can spin this piece, the propeller, freely. In this case I already repaired this one, but before I repair it, it was stuck. I wasn't able to spin it with my hands. I wasn't able to spin it with anything either. You can first check this if you have time. If you can take the engine vacuum cleaner apart, you can check if that propeller part is stuck, because if it's stuck, perhaps that's the reason for your burning smell too. And what was happening in this case, there is a plastic piece beneath this propeller, and for some reason it just elevated from its place. Perhaps the machine got clogged, and then it created some weird pressure. I don't know, I'm not professional on that, but for some reason it just elevated and then pressed this piece from beneath. And when you switch on the machine, because of the friction and because of the heat caused by the friction, there was a burning smell. So it was an electrical fail, it was just a mechanical fail which is fixable. And these machines, well, I live in Turkey, and I don't know if in your country that they have similar designs, but I take apart, I don't know, like 4 vacuum cleaners till this day, and they were all the same internally. This motor and this power circuit, this circuitry was all the same for all of them. So I believe that you can apply this repair for your machine even though it's from another brand. So how you take the motor apart? This is a press fit cap. You pry it off with a screwdriver or something similar. This is you can already see the dent I made. You just stick a screwdriver in between and then just pry it off. It comes off fairly easily, but impossible with the hands, but the screwdriver very easy. Just be careful not to distort it too much. Then when you take it off, get yourself something to take this nut off. I used a socket wrench. You should open it counterclockwise, this direction, and then when you take that off, you can pry off the propeller. I do it with my hand. It was a bit tight fit, but it's manageable. You just wiggle it a bit and then comes off. Then you can reach the plastic piece that is causing the burning smell. Then with something soft, I used a rubber hammer. You hammer it down to sit it's in its place back, and then when you place it back in its place, then you can do everything in reverse and put the motor back together, and then you can check. Of course, you can run the machine again to check if the burning smell is still here or not. In this case, there is no burning smell. The engine is running, the motor is running as it should. So yes, it's fixed. We are saved from buying another machine, I believe. And I hope it was useful for you, and thanks for watching.